was flooded. This is still flooded, but this was 6 inches deep when I found it. Probably not good for the carpet or anything. Found my leak. Still it's coming out there. It's coming out the drain, but it's not coming out fast enough, so I guess I gotta clean it. Good grief. Garden hose into that. Guess this piece is coming off. What a pain. Well, pretty sure that's not supposed to be there. I'm thinking that's the drain. Maybe. No, maybe not. Under this. Ah, there maybe. Yep. Yep. Found it. It's right there. Right under this bracket. Okay, that little nub under the hood is not the drain. That big old drain in there goes out and empties out straight down almost. Looks like it comes this way a little bit. This piece I took off and I RTV'd around the bottom. So hopefully if this does flood again, it won't ruin the cab. I got that clean. It drains like a bathtub now. And that little one, I assume that little one's for the air conditioning. The one beside the battery. But right now I'm repainting the cowl and I'm going to put it back on. Yeah, that's it. That's where the drain is, and that's where the water was coming in. Hold on. There we go. All back on. Wipers are next. One of these days I'll paint the screws.